Salt water is lethal to drones. It's extremely corrosive. Salt crystals rapidly eat through circuit boards and are more conductive than fresh water, which requires immediate action. Follow these emergency steps to save your hardware. First action, immediate damage control. Step 1, pull the battery instantly to prevent short circuits. Don't check if it still works. Step 2, remove the SD card and dry it separately to preserve your data. Second action, washing away the salt. Step 3, submerge or flush the drone, minus battery, in distilled or deionized water. If distilled water isn't available, use tap water. It's better than leaving the salt. Step 4, drench internals with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol to displace water and to speed up evaporation. Third action, deep cleaning. If possible, open the shell for a thorough clean. Step 5, scrub boards. Use a soft toothbrush and alcohol to remove white, crusty residue. Step 6, flush motors. Rinse motors with distilled water and then spin them by hand to clear sand and grit. Fourth action, drying. Step 7, use a fan and silica gel packets in a cool, dry room. Never use a hairdryer. It can warp plastic or damage a solder. Fifth action, professional repair. Your quick actions can help us increase the chance of saving your hardware. Our technicians will be running a full diagnostic to see exactly what's salvageable and what needs to be replaced. As soon as that's done, we'll send you a clear report along with a transparent, all-inclusive repair quote.